How to permanently delete Safari history on iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Safari. Continue scrolling to locate Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it and confirm your decision when prompted. While this method effectively clears most of your Safari history, there's an additional step to ensure comprehensive deletion. Scroll further down to Advanced and select it. Within the Advanced settings, tap on Website Data. Here you'll find a list of data from various websites. To ensure complete removal, it's advisable to delete this data as well. By following these steps, you can permanently delete your Safari browsing history on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you and see you in the next one.